How's it going, everybody? It's another interesting day here in Japan. Today we're going to Gundam Factory. That's it right there. It's got a giant, like 60 something foot tall Gundam. It moves. It walks, and I don't know. I've only seen videos of it, but today we are here to check it out. So let's go. So we just entered from right there, and you walk straight out into that. That's so cool. And they give you this when we entered, and you can see here what it's going to look like when it's all put together. So that's part of entry. Entry was 1,650 yen, but to go up there was like another 3,300 yen. So we're looking at like currency rate like $45. Here they have the exact times of when the startup experience and the standby mode. So look how long that is. It's 8 minutes and 45 seconds for the one performance and 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Currently right now it's 12:45, and the next one starts at 1 o'clock, the startup experience. But we actually have to go in line over there to go up there. So they just let us know that backpacks can't go up there. So there's gonna be some lockers right over there. And you just put them there, you go in the elevator, you go up, do that, and then when you come back out, you come right there. Unless you have like a shoulder bag, like a strap across, then they said you can bring that up. We're about to put our bag in the locker, but like I just noticed that the the Gundam is hovering. Alright, we're on the 6th floor, which, if my math is correct, most floors are 10 feet apart, so yeah, 60 feet. Wow. You know what's really impressive right now? The show is going to start in like 3 minutes, and we're going to be right here to see it. We're moving up, and look at all the detail, like all the writing, warning labels, everything like that. That's so cool. I almost forgot to mention how cool this view is also. Look at that. At the whole Yokohama skyline. To give you a reference, Chinatown, which I did a video previously, is right there. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. We just got off the elevator to the 5th floor. We were just up there. Maybe it's a little taller than 60 feet. And the Gundam show was pretty cool to see from above, but we had to like on a timer, so we kept having to move. So everybody has a chance to see it, but as we kept moving forward, the Gundam kept moving forward. So it's kind of hard to like get a good picture or like see it. But don't worry, we'll watch the show from down below. We made it through the see-through panels now, and the next show is going to start any minute now. There's one every half hour, and it's not a bad view. But yeah, it took a half hour to go from up there to down here. That's a pretty cool view of the Gundam right here. See, it's on standby. He's got his Air Jordans on because he's hovering. Guess it's a good time to point out everything. So the entry is there. Come out here, you can watch the whole Gundam show from right there. This is what gets you 1,650, which is this whole area here. And then where I'm at right now is the additional 3,300. Go up the stairs there, there's a cafe, there's a gift shop right there. There's a meeting room over there, so that's pretty much the whole area. But what's the one thing I like most about this? Like the size, and like the fact that they even went through all this work to create a Gundam. Now I grew up as a kid watching Gundam Seed, Gundam, and all that stuff, so it's pretty cool to see. Walking my way up to the cafe to go check it out, and I just thought, like, look at that view. That is awesome. Now that looks cool. I think we're gonna stand here when the next show happens. I found a store which sells. Look at those things, they're cool. 19,000 yen, or like $200 for those. And they actually got Gundam playing on the screen in the background right now. So here they have tablets for food. Oh, and there's an English option right there. But they got the main, ooh, some burgers. That actually looks really good right now. Recommended courses, menu, specials, assorted sausage product. It's always like such interesting foods. Desserts, Carl almond steamed bun with wheat bread bean pastes. Oh, they got the green melon soda here. It's the good stuff. I'll get food later, but the food options were pretty good. And then you can get the souvenir collector cup they have there too. Time to go to the Gundam store. That looks ridiculous. Oh my gosh. It's so cool how they have all these. There is definitely no lack of selection here. I mean, we're talking everything. Like this model right here is only $27. That's a pretty good price. And I mean, there's so many more. Like you can even get the little guy. Look at the little guy. I found my most expensive pen in Japan. That is a pen in that box there for 33,000 yen or $330. I bet it's gold plated. It's gotta be. So like those models we saw upstairs, they actually sell technical tools like files and clippers and everything, so you can clean them up so you can look awesome like that.
Release the bridge. Mission control からガンダム。ガンダム、聞こえますか? Birds, ABC is at the door.
It's a pose off. That's so cool. I was almost correct. It's 59 feet per the Guinness World Records. For randomly guessing the height and only being a foot off, that's pretty good. I just figured elevator 6 floors, 10 foot per floor. Now how come I didn't see that one in the gift shop? That one I'm considering. If you're new to the channel, I like doing time lapses and being able to watch the time lapse of them actually constructing the tower and all the parts that went to it. That's very awesome to watch. And that's pretty much everything I can do at Gundam Factory. And then the re-shows just restart all over again. We've seen 3 of them in the time we've been here, so an hour and a half. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Let me know you enjoyed it. And of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And we're still traveling Japan. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.